Okay, so let's take a look at how to graph this on your graphing calculator. So on graphing calculator. Okay, well, as you know, to graph an equation into your graphing calculator, you need to enter it into your y equals window. And you need to enter it in as y is equal to and whatever your function is. So we need to take our, we need to take our inequality 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30 and isolate for y. So bring the 4x over, it becomes negative. Divide by 3, and you get that y is less than or equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 10. Okay, so I have already entered the equation into the graphing calculator. Your window settings, you can use the graph over here on the left. Okay, the graph over here on the left to help you with your window settings. So I've entered them in already. And notice that x min is 0 and y min is also 0. Okay, and that's because negative values of soccer balls and footballs is meaningless. Okay? All right. So what we have then is this graph. I'm missing the top there. Let me go. And let me put a y max in of 12. There we go. Okay, now, right now it just shows up as a straight line. Okay. If we want to graph a region, then we go back to our y equals window and we take our left arrow key and we move the cursor over to the left of the y1, and we want to choose one of the following symbols. Okay, so we could choose this one. So I'll just hit enter. This one, okay, which looks like, let's see if I can make a better picture of that. Like this. And what this will do is graph above the line. And we can go over, hit enter again, and then we get this one, which is to graph below the line. Okay, now according to our equation, our inequality, which is now in the form of y equals mx plus b, we've got less than and equal to, so we will want to graph less than, right? And less than is going to be this graphic, so this is for less than. Yep. Which would mean that this one would be greater than. That doesn't look very good. Okay, so we want to choose this one, and we hit graph, and this is what you get. So you can see it looks very similar to what we have over on the left. Your region is shaded below the line, and we're done. That's it. There's nothing more to it.